RDC coming in St Asaph. Male on a motorbike has been knocked off, barely conscious, heavy bleeding and has a head injury. It looks like he's possibly hit the windscreen and been thrown 30 metres.
Oeddwn just wedi dechrau shift nos. Oedd yna galw yn dod I fewn. Mae wedi cael damwain ar A55 yn Llanelwy.
16, state 6. I think ambulance are just coming up, arriving as well.
Oedd yna pobl bob man.
Yeah, Ben.
The lady in the picture collided with him.
Okay.
Yeah, she's in quite a bad state.
Yeah, I can imagine. Wow, okay.
Y moped wedi cael I wedged i'r ymlaen y car ac yn dal I fyny hefyd. Ddim wedi cael I nocio neu rhywbeth. Mae wedi cael I wedge fel V yn y car, reit yn y canol.
Right, I think you're the driver of this one. Yeah, okay. Obviously a very distressing situation, yeah. A lot going on and everything else. Very briefly though, what happened?
Literally, I was just driving down, I had my car on cruise control, and then I had some money outside, and then I was just picking it up just to see how much, and then I looked up, and I didn't even see that man. Next minute, bam, just hit my windscreen. That man's so good.
So I'll pop round this address now and get them to the hospital, I think, ASAP.
Yeah, completely agree. It's not looking good though, is it?
Ar ôl cael yr update gyn y paramedics, o'n I wedi cymryd mae Ethan yn mynd I farw. Mae'n bwysig bod y teulu efo fo. So dyna pam mae'r Raymond noson honno di penderfynu reit. Dwi'n mynd o yma wan, dwi'n mynd syth i'r tŷ yma, achos doedd o'n bell. Oedd o fewn hanner milltir, swn I ddweud milltir ar y mwyaf o'r sîn felly. Pan maen nhw'n gweld y melyn madag yma nos, maen nhw'n gwybod ydy, da ni'n bod o dyna I ofyn os wedi gweld rhywun yn dwy'n bala o siop neu falle. Ond o Liam y ces yma, mae'r gradur dal y fyw I fyny Iwan dydy. Dydy'n beth am y swnio dda o beth ni'n glywed ar y radio felly. Don't panic, he's in safe hands. He's in ysbyty Glan Clwyd. It happened just after 10 tonight on the 55, okay? He's on his bike and the other one is a car. So that's why he's ended up in hospital. He was in a bad way initially, okay? But they've stabilised him, okay? The best thing for you now, get yourself ready to be there with him, yeah? Okay. Yeah. Mae'r gwrthdrawiad hwnnw, mae hwnnw wedi hitio lot o'n yn ei bersonol. Mae Ethan rhan oed yn hynna fi. A mond pan eisiau sbio ar yr ID o'r driving licence nath o hitio fi, yr un flwyddyn geni a gito ni felly. Mewn bersonol wedyn dydy.
How young are you at the moment, Chantal? 21.
Oedd yn damwain dip bach yn anodd I fi hefyd, achos gyr o gwaith dwi'n gwneud yn personol am trio cael pobl ifanc yn gyrru mwy saff a pethau fel yna. Dwi heb di atal y damwain yma yn digwydd. Ond, dwi'n gwneud yn siŵr bod os mae rhywun sydd wedi gwneud yn drwg, wel, dwi'n mynd I cael y tystiolaeth amdano fo.
What's going to happen with my car?
So we'll seize the car initially, okay? The reason we're seizing it is obviously for checking it for vehicle defects. Yeah, we always check.
Mae'n gyfrifoldeb, achos dim jyst cyfrifoldeb I gael y cyfiawnder, mae gennych chi gyfrifoldeb i'r teulu does, da eisiau nhw deimlo bod yna gyfiawnder wedi cymryd lle. Un cyfle da chi'n gael I wneud y pethau yma I gyd. Felly, rhaid yr emosiwn ar y silff a consentratio mewn ffordd ar y dystiolaeth ac yn ei siŵr bod bob dim mewn lle fel bod yna ddim byd da ni ddim di sbio ar I ddangos be mae'r unigolyn di wneud ar y noson yna de.